Hello. Hey guys, it's Melanie. Long time no see. It's been so long since I've posted, nonetheless, since I've actually filmed an intro. I feel like I haven't actually sat down and talked to the camera in so long, so it feels really good to be talking to you guys right now. But today I'm going to be filming for you a room tour, and this is a really basic video. I feel like it's one of the first videos you usually post, but I've had my channel for almost 2 years, which is really crazy. And I don't know, I just felt like showing you guys my room because it's at the cleanest it's ever really been. So I figured I would show you guys what my room looks like before I change it up for Christmas, because all of this is gonna go soon and I need to capture it because I'm really proud of how clean my room is right now. So I'm gonna show you guys everything in my room. It's gonna be mid-depth, not super deep, because that would take a long time. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, let's get started. So this is gonna be a vlog style room tour. It's not gonna be the other kind. I don't know what the other kind is, but I'm just using my vlog camera to show you guys around. And first off, I just want to say, not trying to brag in any way, everything, I'm super grateful for everything that I own, everything that I have, and I'm not trying to show it off in any way. And then second off, I just want to say my room's not always this clean. I did tidy up a little just for this video because it was pretty messy before. And yeah, also my room changes a lot because I like to decorate my room according to how I'm feeling and whatever. No, I just like to decorate it for the season, and I don't know, I just think it's fun. Yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't even remember what I was saying, but let's get started. Right now I'm outside of my room, and this is my door. So this is what it looks like when you first see my room. These are all my drill posters, and drill is my sport. So we do this thing where you get posters for comps and stuff. So these are some of my faves. You open my door and this is what it looks like. It's kind of overwhelmingly white and bright because that's just how I like things. I don't know, I just really like bright stuff because I don't know, want to brighten up my day, I guess. But this is just a little overview. My room is a pretty big size, I would say. I don't know, to me I think it's the perfect size for me, at least, and pretty clean, really proud. Yeah, that's it, you know. So I'll just start off over here. I have a few more drill posters on my door. I'm gonna run out soon because it's only my first year, and I already filled up basically my whole door, and I don't really want to put them on my wall. So yeah, we'll see about that. I used to have a mirror right here, but I actually moved it over here, so that's why I have these little ugly tape thingies, because I'm too lazy to take them off. And then over here I have this super deep quote because I saw it, and it was some post on Twitter or something, and it's in some museum, and I was like, that's so inspiring. So I put it up here, but basically it's just this long quote here, and you read it and you're like, oh my gosh. You're like, oh my gosh, that's so discouraging, oh my gosh, I don't know. And then you look at the other perspective, and then you're just wow, deep, you know? So I just read that to myself every day. Just kidding, I don't do that, but I don't know, I like how it looks and stuff. And then over here's my closet. I'm not gonna go, okay, I'll show you my closet a little bit. It's kind of a mess. I have these are just from my church camps. I like to keep them here because memories. Here's my closet. Really quick, it's kind of messy and overflowing, so I'm not gonna go in depth over here. But yeah, that was my closet. Over here I have ukulele that I play sometimes, not very musical, so I don't know, I just have that there. Then I have this mirror. My friends say that it makes you look really condensed and stubby, which I don't know, I can't really tell, maybe it does, but I just have it here because this is where I check out my outfits and stuff. And then I have these two little shelves. These were from IKEA or Target, I don't even remember, and I just put them up on my wall. I'm a super I hate putting permanent things on my walls and stuff, so that was a really big deal for me, but I actually really like how they look. I put some random little books on this one. This is a gift from my mom. It has little Bible verses in it. These are just some 2 other books I got from my brother, I think. Up here I have a photo from my church camp, and then I have my Polaroid camera which I like to use a lot and I just think it looks cute. And then over here, this is a newer piece of furniture. I got it at a garage sale from my friend, and I don't know really why. I really didn't need it, but I really like how it looks, and I think it's really helpful. I have my plant here. It's kind of dead. This plant was from IKEA. I think I named him, but I forgot his name, and I need to water him. I have this Voss water bottle, which I use to water him, but as you can tell, the water bottle is full, and my plant is dying, so I'm not doing a very good job at that. Over here, I have my lanyard, my keys. I usually just throw it there. I could put it away like in here, but I'm too lazy. I have my Ray-Bans, which I don't know why they're sitting there because it's literally winter. And here, oh dear, it's kind of a mess, sorry. These are a bunch of scrunchies and Polaroids and hair ties. I don't really know what happened over here. Underneath that, I have some more random stuff. Okay. In that Vans box, I have some Polaroids, and then I have some like journals because I have journals literally everywhere in my room because I'm a hoarder, okay? And then in this drawer, oh dear, this is like my accessories drawer, I guess. So I have all my sunglasses and then a bunch of like earrings and random stuff. It's really messy, sorry you had to see that. Over here, I have this mirror. This is where I take my outfit photos sometimes, but I haven't been very active. Follow me on the Insta. I'll be more active, I swear. Here, I just have my camera because, of course, I was filming. I am out of breath. I have two, like, pretty big windows in my room, which is really great for lighting. And then I also have these little, like, drapey curtain things. I got them from IKEA. They were so cheap. And then they hang on these little, like, ball thingies. I don't even know how to describe it. But I put them up all by myself. And I'm really proud of that, not gonna lie. And then moving over here is my desk, and this is kind of like, I'm really proud of this. This is like, I don't know, I think of the perfect like beauty guru like desk, not what's it called, vanity, that's what I think of. So I like searched high and low for this. I got this little like whatever this is called thingy, vanity mirror. I got this, it turns on here. I got this from Amazon. It was super expensive, but I love it. I use it to like as my light to study and to put on makeup. And then over here there's an outlet so I can like charge my phone, which I usually do. And this is just really nice. I used to have like makeup and stuff here and then like pens and stuff here, but I kind of like, I want to keep my room on the minimal side, even though I know it really isn't, because like as much as I want to be a minimalist, I would never be able to, but I went through this period and I wanted to, so I tried to like just clear everything off as much as I could so I have as much like open surface as I could, if that makes sense. So basically what that all meant is that I shove everything in my drawers. So that's why I love these freaking Alex drawers. I think that's what they're called. I don't know, this is what all the beauty gurus have, so of course I wanted it. But they're actually the most helpful thing ever, and they're so like spacious. They're so amazing. So I'm not gonna go in depth here because I was thinking about filming like a vanity tour or a like desk tour or whatever. So if you want to see that, comment that down below. But basically this side has, these top three drawers have like my schoolwork and my like bullet journaling, like artsy supplies, I guess. And then these two drawers down here, peep my ugly foot, haha. These two drawers here have my camera stuff. They're really messy, so you don't look at that. And then over here, these top drawers have makeup, and then these bottom drawers have like literally random like crap, like oopsies. Like I really don't know what's in here. Sorry you had to see that. And then moving, oops, I forgot this. This is my little like dream board, or I don't know, just a bulletin board, I guess. But basically, I just filled it with my happy memories, and I think it looks really cute. So, I have a lot of photos of myself and my friends, and then I have some random, like, inspirational photos, you know, because abs and, like, whatever that is. And then, like, this is some YouTuber girl I really like, and then she's, like, fit, and I was all, like, motivated. And then this is to motivate me to stretch, because I never do it. And then these are some, like, things to live by and be all happy. And then I have some Bible verses over here, some praying hands I drew. Another girl who, like, I guess they're like inspirational people that I like. Then I have some photos of Hawaii because I freaking love Hawaii. It motivates me. Then this is actually a little letter thingy I wrote to myself, and I was all like, my goals for the year, which I'm definitely not doing well on. And then I have some like tickets from like, I think it's a plane ticket or a concert ticket, and then I have baseball tickets, and then just some photos with my friends, and I just really like how it looks. I was trying to like keep up with it and then like change it as I go, and whenever I just do stuff, like hang it up there, but then I found myself never doing that, so I just leave it like that. Then I have a super ugly chair because I've been meaning to get a nice, like, I don't know, white comfy chair so I can sit and study, but I have this random, like, I just took this from like my parents' office or something. I don't know, it's really ugly and uncomfortable, but whatever. I threw this blanket. It's one of those like Mexican Aztec little blanket thingies, and I really like this. It's not very warm, but it looks really cute, and I think I got it from California. And then over here, oh my gosh, I'm so out of breath. I have my bed. My bed is the comfiest bed in the world, not gonna lie. I really love it. Like, every time I just lie down, I just pass out. This is my teddy bear. I forgot his name, but my friends and I, we went to Build-A-Bear because they opened one in our mall, and we made teddy bears together. So, of course, he's my real pal. And then I used to have a bunch of throw pillows and throw blankets, but that just doesn't work out for me because, I don't know, it just doesn't work for me. So, yeah, that's my bed. Super nice. And then up here is my wall. This is kind of like, I don't know how to describe it. It's kind of like a montage slash like dream board slash collage. I don't know, but basically I went to the library. Love the library. You can print like photos there. It's amazing. I love the library. So I went there. I printed out hecka photos, and they're just all like aesthetic photos that I really enjoy, that like make me happy and motivate me. And then I have these Christmas lights strung over here because I am a freaking light fanatic, and I have to always have Christmas lights or something in my room. And this is my broken phone charger. It's so stupid, but I will show you guys. See, it just beautiful. Like, love it. And it's also really good for like when I'm filming and stuff. It looks pretty in the background. The last thing in my room, I have this 9 drawer. This is also a hot mess, so I'm not gonna, oh, whoa, I have a free drawer. Okay, some of these are kind of messy, like, I don't know what that is. Oh, this is like my underwear and stuff. And then this is like, ooh, another one. And then this one's all like messy, I don't know. Oh, this is from my friends. So yeah, these are kind of just random. That's really random. Yeah. That's kind of where I shove all my junk because it's like, it looks all put together, but then secretly I'm a mess. And then I just put this here, which is my little jewelry. But yeah, so that is my whole room. I'll do one last little overview for you guys. There we go. Okay, so that was my freaking room tour. I'm sorry it took so long. I did not think I was gonna talk that much, but hopefully you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you want a more in-depth like desk vanity tour or closet tour or anything like that, or like cleaning with me, room decor type videos, anything like that. I'm so for that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!